Hi, nieces and nephews. Welcome back to Auntie Nell's Kitchen. And to my new subscribers, welcome. But I thank all of you for your love and support to my channel. Today, we're going to be making some macaroni and cheese. Yes, that good old southern side dish. Just not for the holidays. You know, this is a 12-month, 365-year-day dish. Okay? So we're going to do a flip and a swip. We're going to show you everything that you need so you can make this macaroni and cheese for you and your family, like I always say, or keep it to yourself. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is 2 boxes of elbow macaroni with 1 stick of butter. So I'm gonna. This is hot, so it's gonna be melted. Gonna get this all melted down in here. 1 8-ounce block of shredded Colby Jack cheese. 1 8-ounce block of Monterey Jack. Ooh, don't want that to fall. Let me get my other cheese. This is a 16-ounce block of sharp cheddar, which we will use half in the sauce and half for top. Do not rinse your pasta. Do not rinse your pasta. 1 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream. 2 cans of evaporated milk. I don't use the milk in the jug or the carton. I use evaporated milk. Some salt, some black pepper. If you want to add other seasonings, you can. Okay, so I'll be back. Let me get this butter melted down into this macaroni, and I'll be back. These are 12-ounce cans of evaporated milk. 12-ounce cans. You'll need 2. Okay, let's get our cheese together. No, you don't have to make a roux. With my recipe, I don't make a roux. I add my milk. I add my cream. Get all that goodness out of there. I add my little bit of salt. I don't boil my pasta in salt water because I add salt to the dish. If I can get my pepper open. You can add paprika, garlic powder, whatever you want to add in this, your seasonings. You're going to just give this a whisk. Let this get a little bit warmer, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and add my Monterey Jack cheese. Add my Colby. And make a mess while I'm doing it. Then I add some cheddar. And I'm going to make my cheese sauce. And I'm just going to, I will continue to stir this. Be right back. See, cheese sauce is nice and creamy. And I did nothing but just stand here and stir it. That's all I did. Just stand here and continuously stir. That's all I did to this. And then we're going to pour this over. I have my macaroni. I sprayed my pan. I have my macaroni. So I'm going to just pour this in here. Simple recipe. Let me move this over so you all can see. So we're going to get our cheese sauce, all that goodness going into here. And you don't want dry macaroni and cheese, do you? You don't want dry macaroni and cheese. You don't want that. Because when it's dry, you always got to have some beverages. So that's going to bake up nicely. And I'm going to take my shredded cheese here that was left over. Sprinkle this on here. And you won't believe what I forgot to do. Got the doggone turn the oven on it, preheated. Got to do that. It's okay. No big deal. Get them corners. You know, you gotta have them edges. You know, I always talk about them, those corners and them edges. Get them edges. Gotta get them edges, guys. You gotta get those edges. You're going to bake this on 350. And I'm going to let the oven heat up. Be right back. Alright guys, our mac and cheese is out the oven. So we're going to dig into this. I already had me a little tasty here. Okay. So we're going to scoop some of this out. Look at that. All that goodness in here. And you see it's not dry. I don't like dry mac and cheese. I like all that cheesy goodness in here. That's what I like. That's what I like to see. Look at that. Goodness. Good mac and cheese. All that goodness in here. I'm telling you. So this is it. Auntie's mac and cheese. That's all I can say, but you can add your own. You can add your garlic powder. You can add paprika, some onion powder. You can add whatever seasoning you want to add to this. You know why? Because it'll be yours then, right? So I appreciate you guys, you know, and I'm going to have me a little bowl, not a little tasty anymore. Going to have me that little bowl over there. So hold on 1 minute, nieces and nephews, and I'll be right back. Thank you guys for tuning in to my video while I made this macaroni and cheese. Now, so I hope you make it for your upcoming holiday table or anytime you want. You don't have to wait till the holiday season for mac and cheese, right? Because that's a, you know, that's like a staple to me. Okay? All right. Until the next upload, I will see you soon. Hugs and kisses to each of you. But when I say be you, I mean be great being you, okay? Love you guys. Bye.